Hello friends, this is Santosh from SmartTech. In this video, I want to see how to make cinematic effect in a video. Come, let's go to the video. So for that, just choose a video like a flower show like this. What I'm choosing. So after choosing that, just go to the first part, that is the starting of the video, and there go to layer, press media, go to background, and press the black color. After pressing the black color, insert it at the down part of the video, like the of the screen, like what is shown on the screen now. Do that and duplicate the project and bring the one to the top. So now it will be like this. Then go to again layer, media, background, black color, and again make the half of it like what is shown on the screen. Like make the half of it like this and go to animation and press the plus button press the plus button like this and just move it up like this. After moving it, so press duplicate and the same thing you can do here and go to animation and again make it like coming down. So what I've done here like this. So after doing that, just make it more big because it's going a very fast speed. So like this, make it more big. No, it has become more big. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the animation. I'm going to put it in the center here like this. So you can put wherever you like. If you want to make it speed or slow, like this I'm doing. I'm putting it that a bit later text. So sorry, not this one. So what I'm doing, I'm selecting that one. Okay, this one I got. Yeah. So I'm removing the animation from there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just make it more big like this also. So let it be. And other part, like other side of the video also, I'm gonna make it more big like this. So that now I'm gonna correctly align the position of the animation and here right now, and I'm gonna bring it up like this. So after bringing it up, you could just look at the video like this. It will be, yeah, it will be opening like, okay, I'll show you that from the first. So you could see how the video is opening like a cinematic effect. This is how the video is made. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Meet on next video. So that's signing up is Santosh Raghav from SmartTech. Meet on next video. Bye.